Very good morning to all of you. This is lecture number 3. In this lecture, we will discuss the remaining question of the exercise 5. So, start with the question number 13, second part. Till question number 12, we had already discussed. Question number 13, second part. Okay, students, till now we have the question in the form of directly x and y, like this. We have 7x plus 6y equal to 3 type, this type of question. But here the x is in reciprocal, okay, like 1 by x and 1 by x. So we have to take 1 by x as some different values, like this. Here 1 by 7 into 1 by x, okay, plus 1 by 6 into 1 by y equal to 3. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus minus 1 by 3 into 1 by y equal to 5. So we have to take 1 by x and 1 by y from both of the equation as any value, like we take 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v in both of the equation. So that equation become 1 by x is u, so u upon 7 plus v upon 6 equal to 3. First equation is this. Now second equation, 1 by x is u, okay, 1 by x is u, so u by 2 minus v upon 3 equal to 5. Now take LCM of both of the equations. 7 6 is 42, okay, so this is 6u plus 7v equal to 3. So that the equation becomes 6u plus 7v equal to 42 into 3, 126. Now this become 6 is LCM, 3u minus 2v equal to 5, okay, 3u minus 2v equal to 30. Okay, now both of the equation are in simplest form, first and second. Now we take the similar way where we can take x, y to solve the equation. Using any of the method, here we use the elimination method, because elimination method is very simple in this. We have to multiply this equation by 2, okay, equation 2 multiply by 2, so that the equation 2 becomes 6u minus 4v equal to 60, okay, so that 6u and 6u are common. Now we can subtract equation first or equation second from anyone, okay, equation 1 from equation 2, okay, 6u, or equation second from, you have to take either equation second from equation first. Equation second is 6u minus 4v, this is equation number second. 6u minus 4v, first we have to take 6u plus 7v equal to 126. Equation second from equation first, so this is equation first, this is equation second. 6u minus 4v equal to 60, okay, minus plus and minus, so this is 66. 7 plus 11v equal to 66, so value of v equal to 6, okay, this is the value of v. This is not the complete solution, okay. Now we have to find out the value of u. So how we can find out? From equation second, you have to put the value of v in any of the equation, okay, either in first or either in second. So that value of v, u equal to 6u from equation second, 6u minus 4 into v, v is 6 equal to 60. So 60 plus 24, 84 equal to 6u, and u equal to 84 upon 6. So answer is 14. Now we have u equal to 14. Okay, both of the values are here. This is not the solution because we have to find out the value of x and y. Now put we took 1 by u equal to, sorry, 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. We have u and v. U is 14, so 1 by x equal to 14 and v is 6, so 1 by y equal to 6. So value of y is 1 by 6 and value of x is 1 by 14. Okay, so this is the final solution. X equal to 1 by 14 and y equal to 1 by 6. So similarly you have to do question number 13 first part. Okay, and one more example you have to do, example number 9. Okay, in which we take 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y, either a, b, u, v, whatever your choice you can do. Okay, now we will move to question number 15 first part. Okay, now we have 4x plus 6 upon y equal to 15, question number 15 first part. Okay, 6x minus 8y upon 8 upon y equal to 14. Here we have x in the same as we had already, some of the question we did already. Okay, so 1 upon y, so we have to change only 1 upon y here, but not x. So can you take x as x and 1 upon y as v, or you can take x equal to u for similarity. Okay, and 1 upon y and 1 upon v, y equal to v, whatever your choice. Okay, x you can take x as x or x as x equal to u, or 1 upon y you have to change. This is must. 1 upon y you must have to change in the form of this. Now the equation become 4u plus 6v, 6v equal to 50, and this become 6u minus 8v equal to 14. Now both of the equation are very simple. Can you take, in this type of equation you have to follow the elimination method, because this is very simple to do. Okay, 6 and 4, so equation 1 multiply by 6, and equation 2 multiply by 4. 6 and 4, 6 for your 24u. You have to equate either u and v in both of the equation. Okay, as similar as in the previous question. Okay, either u and v you have to equate, so that here we have we are going to equate u. So 4 into 6 24, 6 into 6 36v equal to 15 into 6 90. This is equation number 1. Now equation number 2, 4 into 6 24u minus 32v equal to 56. Okay, now subtract equation 2 from first. Okay, from first equation is this and second is this. Subtract, cancel out, minus plus minus. Okay, this is 34 and 36 plus 32, that is 68v. 68v equal to 34, so that v equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now v become 1 by 2. And what about u? Now we have to find out the value of u from one of the equation, either from this. Okay, you have to choose any on this simple equation to find out the value of u. This is the simple equation. Okay, put the value of v in 6u minus 8 into v. V is 1 by 2 equal to 14. So this is 4. So 14 plus 4, 18. 18 equal to 6u. So u equal to 3. U equal to 3 and v equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to compare these values for this. Okay, 1 upon y equal to v and v equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so now Now the simple thing is that x equal to u. Okay, x equal to u and u equal to 3. So that x, value of x equal to 3. And 1 upon y equal to v and v equal to 1 by 2. So compare 1 by 2 equal to 1 by y equal to 1 by 2. So the value of y equal to, okay, so we have to find out the value of x and y, and x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. This is the final answer. I think now you are familiar with this type of equation. Okay, how we can find out the simultaneous how we can find out the solution of this type of simultaneous equation. Okay, here we have 1 upon x plus y, so that we have to find out the value of 1 upon x, replace the value of 1 upon x plus y equal to u and 1 upon x minus y equal to v. Okay, now the equation become 44u plus 30v equal to 10, and second one is 55u plus 40v equal to 30. Okay, the example number 9 is same as this type of question. Okay, now we have to find out the equate the value of u and v. Then value of v is very simple here, because if you multiply this equation by 4, okay, multiply this equation by 4 and this equation by 3, so that the equation become 44 into 176u plus 120v equal to 40, and this equation become 165 plus 120v equal to 39. Now you have to subtract the equation 1, or you as you wish. Okay, subtract equation second from first. 176u plus 120v equal to 40 and 165u plus 120v equal to 39. Okay, so that cancel, minus, so say 76 minus 11, u equal to 1. So u equal to 1 by 11. Now we have to find out the value of v. U equal to 1 by 11. So now we have to find out the value of v. Okay, from any of the equation u, put the value of u in this equation, 55 into u for v. Okay, now we have to find out value. So for v, 55 into 1 upon 11 plus 40v equal to 13. Okay, you have to choose any of the equation. This is a basic equation. So 11 5 ja, so 13 minus 5, 8. So 40v equal to 8. So value of v equal to 1. 8 5 ja 40. So value of v equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now you have to compare this similar way. In the similar way, we had already in the previous question. Okay, 1 upon u. Note down all this. Okay. Now 1 upon x plus y equal to v. So that 1 upon x plus y equal to u, and value of v is 1 by 11. Okay. Now 1 upon x minus 1 equal to v. So this is 1 by 5. Now it become another simultaneous equation in the form of x and y. Okay. So that here the value of, now it become very simple equation. X plus y equal to 11 and x minus y equal to 5. Okay. This is equation number 4, because in the equation, this equation in the form of x and y. So this is 4 and this is 3rd and 4. Now add 3rd and 4. Why we are adding both of the equation? Because we know there is a negative sign of y in both of the equation. Positive and negative sign of the equation. Of y in both of the equation. So that x plus y equal to 11 and x minus y equal to 5. Now add both of the equations, so that this is cancelled, and 2x equal to 16. Now value of x equal to 16 upon 2. So that final value of x is 8, and we have to put the value of x in either third equation and fourth equation. We have to find out the value of y. Okay, y from this equation, y equal to x minus 1. Yes or no? Y equal to x minus 5. So y equal to x, 8 minus 5. So the value of y equal to 3. So this is the final solution. Okay. Till question number 16, you have to do all in your fair copy. Okay. Whatever I am doing. Question number 17. In question number 17, in the right side you have uv, 5 uv. In both of the equation you have 5 uv. So you have to divide the equation by uv. Okay, u into v. Divide the both of the equation by u into v, so that equation become in this type of form. And question number 17, you have to do all the remaining part. Okay. Question number 18 or not, we are discussing in the next lecture. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.